Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
In 1974, a tragic train car collision led to the death of Kathy, a passenger in the car with her husband, Dennis Taylor. Dennis sued the train company, Southern Pacific Transportation Company, accusing them of negligently causing his wife's wrongful death. The jury found the company liable and awarded Dennis $7,000 in compensatory damages and $200 in exemplary damages. However, the case was complicated by misconduct and violations committed by the defendant's attorneys, who inappropriately questioned the plaintiff's marital status. This led the trial court to grant a new trial due to insufficient verdict and misconduct. The case, named Taylor v. Southern Pacific Transportation Company, raised important legal questions and made its way to the Arizona Supreme Court in 1981. Central to the case was whether or not evidence of Dennis's remarriage should be admissible. Typically, remarriage is excluded in wrongful death cases, since calculating the decedent's financial contribution and the new spouse's contribution can be difficult. Additionally, the collateral source rule disallows evidence of payments from other sources to lessen the responsible party's liability. Ultimately, the Arizona Supreme Court concluded that the trial court did not err in excluding remarriage evidence. The court also determined that the plaintiff failed to prove that the defendant's conduct was egregious enough to warrant sanctions. However, the trial court did err in awarding costs to the plaintiff while granting a new trial. The case was remanded for cost determination, with the new trial affirmed and the cost assessment set aside.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.